Yo, what's up guys? I'm Gandhar.
And I'm Ishvesh.
And we are the Mad Hatters. Hey guys, thank you for giving us so much love and support for our previous videos. We thank you with all our heart.
We love you guys. Today, we are going to review Ki & Ka official trailer.
Ki & Ka?
Yes, Ki & Ka. It's like Ki, Ka, something like that.
What kind of name is that? Sounds like iski maa ki uski maa ka.
What's wrong with these people these days, man? Like seriously? And then we see this dialogue.
किया एक लड़की है और मैं एक लड़का हूँ, पर आपकी कंफ्यूजन समझ सकता हूँ। घर संभाले तो की, बाहर जाकर काम करे तो का। According to हिंदुस्तानी सभ्यता।
Is that even true, guys?
I know so many women who work at their homes and work outside. Even guys, you know, they do their household work and work outside. But how does that define Hindustani Sabhyata? And then we hear this dialogue.
I'm a marketing manager. 1.5-2 साल में I'll be vice president.
उसके बाद
I will be CEO.
From a marketing manager to a vice president within a year or two, and then directly a CEO. How is that even possible?
Do you mind sharing that key with us?
Or maybe to get a promotion, all you have to do is sleep.
And then Arjun says,
मैं अपनी माँ जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ।
And after hearing this, Kareena Kapoor asks Arjun,
Excuse me, कौन थी तेरी mom यार?
and as Arjun is about to answer Kareena that he wants to be like his mom, we get the feeling that his mom might be a social worker
or maybe some successful businesswoman.
But then he says this.
She was a housewife.
क्या?
A housewife?
Really, nigga?
Oh, why you wanna become a housewife?
I mean, we respect that your mom is a housewife, like many Indian women are, and there's nothing bad about it. But why do you want to be a housewife? I wonder why Arjun wants to be a housewife.
कुछ issue तो नहीं?
मैं गे नहीं हूँ, सेक्स चेंज ऑपरेशन भी नहीं कराना चाहता। I like women, I like whiskey, पर ये ऑफिस करियर एम्बिशन के झंझट से दूर रहना चाहता हूँ।
So that's the reason.
So is that the reason you want to become a woman of the house and not the man of the house?
You know, that's the reason even we are making this video, because we don't want to go to office and work.
I feel you, bro.
But
I feel you.
that doesn't mean we want to be a housewife.
But we don't want to become a housewife.
Chill.
Have you ever seen a bear dancing?
Nope.
No. Not this one. The other one.
Am I the only one who can see a slight resemblance between them?
So tell me, who do you think is the better dancer?
Obviously the bear, Arjun Kapoor.
रोबो है तू रोबो, कॉर्पोरेट रोबो। तेरे हार्डवेयर में कोई सॉफ्ट फीलिंग्स ही नहीं।
Softness है यार।
I don't believe you.
Even I don't believe you.
What proof you have?
चलो proof करके बताओ.
छूके दे।
Seriously? Let me check.
No. Let me check.
I'll check.
No, I'll check.
will
No,
check.
I will check. I will check.
Yeah, most wanted Honda.
Softness है यार।
Honestly, even I've got some softness.
Wow.
Where the hell is your hand?
I was just checking.
पागल मुझसे शादी करना चाहता है।
ये पागल नहीं है, ये सचमुच से शादी करना चाहता है.
Do something with your life. सिर्फ वेस्ट क्यों करना चाहते हो किसी का हस्बैंड बनके?
No, auntie, it's not about wasting my life. I really love her, auntie.
हस्बैंड नहीं, ये मेरी वाइफ बनना चाहता है।
No.
नाक कटाली तूने आज मेरी, दोस्त नहीं तू आज के बाद मेरा.
एक minute. There's nothing like that. I want to marry her and I want to be her husband only. I don't want to be her wife.
पागल हो गए हो तुम?
नहीं अभी तो कहा पागल नहीं, आप फिर पागल बोल रहे हो.
औरत की कमाई पर जियोगे?
अरे मैंने कब बोला मैं औरत की कमाई पे जीऊंगा?
मर्द हो तुम, अगर भूल गए हो तो अंदर जाकर चड्डी उतार के एक बार चेक कर लो।
Why should I go inside? I can check here.
Hey, no.
You want to see?
No.
सेक्स हो गया ना?
Can't अभी सेक्सी वाले बात करते.
Important before commitment.
Please explain this to the girls. They ask for commitment before, you know.
रात को ना लेट आना आराम से, कोई जल्दी नहीं।
कैसा पति है तू? एक अबला नारी को जालिम दुनिया में रोजी रोटी कमाने भेजते हुए शर्म नहीं आती?
शर्म तो आती है.
But what to do? He's a housewife, no? घर चलाने के लिए पैसे तो चाहिए.
पैसे चाहिए घर चलाने के लिए.
कौन ला के देगा पैसे? तुम.
तो काम करो.
समझे?
कि नहीं समझे
कि और समझा
कि तुम एक चमाट.
And then we see this train.
What is it doing in the middle of the house? I mean, how do you even walk?
Why train?
अरे वंटा लोग ये ट्रेन निकल रही थी संडास रोड से खाना लेके. संडास रोड?
Sandas.
अरे संडास बोलते हैं सब. क्या वो जा रही करीना ये पास खाना लेगी.
हाँ चल मालूम है चल.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. हाँ bye bye.
And then we see a fight scene.
तेरा यह धर्मेंद्र वाला साइड पहली बार देखकर मेरे अंदर कुछ हो रहा है.
लेफ्ट साइड सुना था, राइट साइड सुना था, ये धर्मेंद्र वाला साइड क्या होता है?
धर्मेंद्र सर, आपका कौन सा साइड है?
तुम मुझसे बात कर नहीं जा सकता.
Sorry,
गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई सर.
Sorry. And then we see this song.
Wait, what? Is Arjun wearing red heels?
I didn't see that.
Didn't you say that you are not gay and you don't want a sex change operation? But now you're wearing red heels? Like really?
You're such a wannabe housewife. And the way they're kissing each other, it looks like, you know, the magnets having opposite sides and attracting each other.
Most wanted.
I hope they're safe.
What?
Did I just hear Seth?
And lastly, we see the title on screen.
Thrilling, pulling, same thing?
Yeah, that's what Arjun Kapoor is in the movie.
Oh nigga, you gay.
That's our time, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. The trailer looks decent, but we feel that Kareena Kapoor is going to steal the show.
And guess what? The audience gonna enjoy all the kissing scenes.
The movie is set to release on the 1st of April, so do watch it, guys.
So don't be a fool sitting at home. Please go out and watch this movie.
So guys, if you've liked this video, please hit that like button.
And do subscribe to our channel.
And if you want us to review any other movie trailer, any other movies or any other viral videos, please post it in the comment section below and we shall do that for you.
Thank you so much, guys.
This is Mad Hatter signing off.
Bye-bye.